Hey babes, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, clearly we are here to do another makeup review. All right, and today on a chopping block we have MAC, honey, and the girls are tripping. Okay, the girls are not here for MAC right now, so I'm gonna give you guys all the tea that you need in order for you to decide if you would love to pick up anything from this collection. So if you're interested in seeing my thoughts and just seeing how these products worked out for me, then please keep on watching. And wait, before you start watching this video, go ahead and subscribe for me, because y'all be playing, y'all be watching, but y'all don't be subscribing. Like what's we're here. All right, so go ahead and subscribe for your girl, and then we're gonna jump right into this video. Now, this is the first collection by MAC in a very long time that I have decided to review. What they have been putting out lately really hasn't attracted me to buy it. I've just been like, yeah, it's cute, whatever, pass. But this one I was super excited about because they had a lot of aspects about this that I wanted to try. So clearly I'm here to give you guys my opinion and show you guys what I bought and let you know if I really like it. So let's go ahead and we're gonna hop straight into it. All right, guys, so this is the packaging. You guys know I'm a sucker for bomb packagings. It actually has like little water driplets raised on it, which is super cute. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the packaging. We're not gonna talk about that too much. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought, then we're gonna do an application process. All right, so I'm gonna start with the product that I was most excited about picking up from the bronze collection by MAC, and that is the Fix Plus Bronze Lit. So this product is going to be a 4-in-1. So it's supposed to prep the skin, prime the skin. It has a shimmer primer and a setting spray. So also in this product, it does have a ball in it, so make sure you give this product a really good shake before each use. Now, one thing I am going to end up doing with this product, I am going to try it on my body as well, because honestly this looks like it's going to be so bomb, like on my body or like on top of my Fenty. Oh, we're gonna try that. All right, so the next product I went ahead and picked up from MAC was the MAC Strobe Face Glaze Illuminator, and this is in the color Bronzejour, which is super cute, little play on the French name. These are really great for wearing alone for women that do not like to wear a lot of makeup but you love for your skin to look glowy. You can also mix it into your makeup. Just so you guys know, I placed my order at Ulta and they were giving away the MAC Free Strobe Cream in Pink Light. I haven't had this in so long, but I'm super excited they sent this to me, so I'll be able to compare the two next to each other. All right, guys, so here's a swatch of the Bronzejour Face Strobe Cream, and I actually really love the richness of the color. Now, one thing I will say for sure, the texture on this is on the thicker, tacky side, so you would not need to use a lot of this product to get the look that you're going for. So like I told you guys, Ulta ended up sending out free strobe creams in the Pink Lit, so I am going to put this one next to the Bronzejour so you guys can see how different these guys look. This is the regular strobe cream. This one is way more thinner, like a lotion, so it's going to be way more hydrating. So if you guys were hoping that this would be like the regular strobe creams, the formulation is absolutely different. All right, so let's move on to the most controversial product of this launch, which is the MAC bronzing powders. You guys were not feeling MAC on this. Honestly, I wasn't feeling them at all either when I saw they only came out with 2 bronzer shades. But in MAC's defense, MAC has tons of bronzer shades. I honestly don't understand why they didn't take some of their previous shades and just repackage them and use them for the launch. But honestly, people still probably would have made a big deal about that too. I just feel like there was no way to satisfy everyone. So for the bronzer, I end up getting Totally Taupeless, and this is a radiant matte bronzer, and that was also another reason why I picked up the bronzer, because it is matte, and this one has a brown with yellow undertones. Now, I will say I feel like the picture on the website does not really do this bronzer justice. It's actually a little bit deeper than what's on the picture. All right, so next I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. The formula feels really smooth, very buttery, so I do like that. So here is a swatch of the Totally Taupeless bronzer. So next I picked up one of the eyeshadows. I picked up TROPEZ, and these are supposed to be foiled eyeshadows, and I love foiled eyeshadows. I love how they make your eyes look, so I know they're gonna lay like super bomb on my eyelids. Wow, oh my god, I just did one single swatch. I am so impressed with that. Okay, so I'm going to mention these two items together. So I did go ahead and pick up a lip combination. I did end up picking up the MAC Lip Glass in Summer Chromance, and then I ended up picking up the lipstick in PLAGE. So basically this is like a nude lip combination. So I'm going to go ahead and just swatch these guys right next to each other. I'm going to start with the Summer Chromance. Alright you guys, so here is the Summer Chromance. It does have a mixture of like pinks and corals and bronze sparkle in there, but this is literally my favorite gloss out of all of them. So if you guys are not familiar with the Luster formula from MAC, these guys are more so on the medium to sheer side, and they're super hydrating. So here is the swatch right next to the Summer Chromance, and that looks like it's just going to be an amazing combination together. And the nude also has a hint of sparkle as well. All right, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and start to try these products on. I'm not going to show you guys anything else like foundation, concealer, or none of that. We're just going to be focusing on the products that we're here to review, because I just don't want to make this video too long. All right, so I am going to use the Fix Plus to prime my skin. So I'm going to go ahead, give this a really good shake. Alright guys, so before I go ahead and mix the Face Strobe Glaze into my foundation, I'm going to try it alone for you guys just so you can see how it looks on its own. Like I told you guys, this has more of a thicker texture, so I'm not going to use a lot. I have on the Bronzelite Fix Plus, and I also have on the Strobe Cream on this side. And then on this side, we just have the Bronze Fix Plus. Alright guys, so next I'm going to move on to using the face glaze in my foundation. I'm going to go ahead and use my Pat McGrath foundation. And squirt a little bit onto my hand. Then we're going to go ahead, take the face glaze, mix that in. I'm going to go ahead, take my Tati Beauty blender, mix the two really good, and then start to apply to my skin. Alright guys, so just in case you are wondering what I'm going to use for concealer, I'm going to use my Pat McGrath Labs concealer. I'm going to use a combination of ML8 and ML13. And to set my concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Fenty Banana Pro Filter powder. Alright guys, so I have went ahead and added my concealer and my pressed powder, of course. So I do have a little bit of like extra powder on my face, but ignore that because of course we're going to clean it up as we go along. So next I'm going to go ahead and put on the Totally Taupeless bronzer. Alright, so I honestly don't know how I feel about this bronzer. I don't know if it just has a little bit too much brown in there for me, but I don't know. Something about it is just not doing it for me. Alright, so I'm going to use this bronzer to go ahead and contour my nose as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes before I go ahead and complete the rest of my look. So of course I'm going to take a little bit of primer to of course give the eyeshadow something to stick to. For our transition shade, we're just going to go ahead and use our bronzer. Next, of course, we're going to go in and take TROPEZ, and because I saw how well it applied with my finger, I'm going to use my finger to apply it again. Alright guys, so we are back and I have went ahead and added the rest of the components to my makeup. Now just to let you guys know, I did go ahead and use the Sand TROPEZ on my lower lash line. And of course, I added my super dramatic lashes because I can. Alright guys, so before we go ahead and do our little lip combination, I am going to put these on individually so you guys can see how they look on their own. So I'm going to start with the gloss in Summer CHROMANCE. And this is how Summer CHROMANCE looks on its own. It's actually super cute. Now, one thing I will say I love about this lip gloss is it's not as tacky as they used to be. And we also know they can make your lips peel, which can be super annoying. Next, I'm going to go ahead and try LIPGLASS by itself. Okay, so here is how the lipstick looks on its own. Again, it looks like it gave me a small hint of color, but honestly not that much. It's more so focused on a lot of luster and a lot of sheen on the lip. Of course, you guys know if you want to build up the coverage, you can definitely do a lip liner as well. So since I already have this one on, go ahead and put the Summer CHROMANCE lip gloss right on top. Alright, so this is how the two look together. Absolutely love these. These look absolutely pretty together. All right, so the last and final thing we're going to do is go back to our Fix Plus and we are going to set everything. All right, so while we're letting our skin dry, we're going to go ahead and start to bronze up our décolleté. I'm going to use the Fenty Cognac Candy Body Lava. Wow, that just literally brought my skin to life. Next, I'm just going to go in with my Cognac Candy Diamond Bomb. And then I'm also going to go ahead and take a little bit of the Bronzelite Fix Plus and go across my chest. Alright you guys, so to be completely honest, I loved every single thing I bought, with the exception of the Totally Taupeless MAC bronzer. I definitely feel like it's a decent color, but I don't know if I would have picked this up if I would have saw it in store. I probably would have been like, and would have just kept it going. It just made my skin look a little bit too brown. I just feel like MAC has a better bronzer that would fit my skin tone besides this one. But for the rest of these products, I definitely love. You guys know I was already obsessed with the Bronzelite Fix Plus before I even tried it because I knew the tone was definitely up my alley, and then it paired perfectly with the Cognac Candy by Fenty. Alright guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. So yeah, I love you guys and I can't wait to see you later this week in my next video. Bye guys.